Welcome to Mindzita. Tech simplified, dreams amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to add free SSL to your website. Follow these simple steps. First, log into your Cloudflare account dashboard. Click Add a Site. Enter your domain name and click on Continue. Select Quick Scan for DNS records and click on Continue. Choose the free plan and click on Select Plan. Cloudflare will scan and import your DNS records. Review the records. Make sure your INC name records are correct. Click Continue. In the next page, Cloudflare will show you two name servers. You have to replace your current name servers to Cloudflare name servers. Now, copy the name servers and go to your domain register. Select your domain, click on DNS and then click on name servers. Replace the existing name servers with the ones from Cloudflare. Click on Use Custom Name Servers and add the Cloudflare name servers. Save the changes. DNS propagation may take up to 24 hours. Now go back to your Cloudflare account. Click on Continue. In the next page, scroll down to the bottom and click on Check Name Servers Now. Cloudflare will verify the change and apply the free SSL certificate. Now open your browser and visit your website. You should see a padlock icon indicating SSL is working. And that's it. Free SSL is now applied to your website. If you run into any issues adding free SSL, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more